Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E7 Power and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, you should click here to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, tap on it and you'll see here all of the available applications which you could use. Tap to one from them and enter the password. If you want to see the password, just click here to show password checkbox. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and we could see that we just successfully connected to the network. Also, you could make it by another way. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click here to this icon. And if you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings from here, you should just hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.